Alright, what's up guys? We're at Walmart and he just got done restocking it, and there's new Simpsons characters. There's a Bart Simpson and there's a Lisa right there. I've never seen any Simpsons in like my area, so it's really cool. Let's see if I can get this Bart. They're both really gettable. He's pretty easy to win, so we'll see. Oh, it stabbed something. I don't know. Oh wait, come on. Oh. There's a Tom right there too. I was surprised to see that because I haven't seen Tom and Jerry's in like 6 months. He came out in March or something, I don't know. Let's go for his body more. Ooh, maybe, come on. Yes, come on, get him in a better position. Flip him over, yes. Oh, okay, he's still gettable. It's really cool that Lisa's in there because I heard one of the workers of NEN told me actually they were coming out with the new Lisa and Marge and the baby, got her name, coming out in October. So yes, that should have them. Come on, just grab. Yes, got him. Nice. Bart Simpson. Oh, nah. Come on, perfect. Just grab. Oh, she's dug in there. This call is like extremely weak now. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do one more and try for this flower thing, because if I get that, I can get her. Let's try that. Here we go. Oh, stay. Nice, got that. Ooh. Oh, maybe if it. Oh, yes, come on. Oh, she's gettable. Let's try that. Ooh, maybe, come on. Let's see. Perfect. Come on. There's some people standing behind me. I thought they were gonna play and I went to winner, but luckily they left, so. Oh, come on. Okay, she's gettable now. She's leaned over to her side. I'm getting this Lisa. She's really gettable. Let's try that. Oh, come on. Oh, that was so close. You gotta get her. She's gonna be a hard character to win, even for you guys. I don't know. Leave in the comments if you find out an easier way to get her. Come on. Oh, see, let's just. Let's go one more time. If I can just clamp that head. Oh, come on. Ooh, that was close. Come on. Oh, maybe. Oh, she's too heavy. I honestly don't see an easier way of getting her. We're at the Dollar Claw now. There's some pretty gettable things. There's this Michonne in the back. I really want that. So we'll see. I'm gonna rake this cat out of the way because it might interfere if she's. Oh, actually, I'll rake it back this way. I don't know. Let's go for Michonne. I don't know if that'll get her. Oh, it just stabs her. Oh, by the hair, by the hair. Oh, she's gettable now. I don't know what happened. Like, hooked her hair. That was awesome. Let's try one more. Alright, let's go for her body. Let's try that. Oh, that should have her. Maybe. Come on. Yes, Michonne. Oh no, it's gonna... Oh. I think she's still gettable. That'd be cool if I could hook her hair. Oh no. I don't think I'm doing much. Yeah, alright, let's go for her right. Okay, that's perfect. Come on. Yes, stay. Nice, Michonne. Yes, Michonne. That's awesome. Huge Michonne from the Dollar Claw. Stuck on something. There we go. Got her. I think I'll take a break from this. I might come back because there's a snake here, but there's another one in the arcade, so I might try to get that one. Alright. Actually, might be able to get some stuff in here. They got Bart Simpson, Homer Simpson. We got Zomboss. Really good stuff. Let's try that. Oh. Ooh, get his arm. Oh, it almost hooked the flower thing. I wasn't even looking at that. I want to get in his hair. I think that's the good way to get him, but I don't know if I can do that. It's kind of hard. Let's try that. Oh, maybe. Come on, hook his face. Yes. Oh, I don't know. That Homer is pretty cool. I don't know if he's gettable though. Let's try that. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Hook his face. Come on. Yes. Oh. Oh no. Fell back down. Let's try that. Come on. Get in there. It's in there, I think. Yeah, come on. Come on. Ah. Throw it right there, because it's gonna... Yes, I think it's in it again. It's not doing anything. Wow. No. Come on, get in there. Yes, it's in it. Come on, just grab it. Oh, it slips out. If I win this, I might be able to get the baby down there. We'll see. This girl has a really good overbite, so I might be able to hook it in its thing. Oh, come on. Maybe. Oh, that was close. I think I can get that. Oh, claw's screwed up now. Oh, someone moved that crab out of the way. Sure, right there. There, that should have it. Come on, just grab. Yes, stay. Nice. Got it. It's a weird hippo thing. Sweet. I didn't think I'd actually keep it. Ooh, she might be gettable now. Maybe. See if we can get her. She's really deep in there though, so we'll have to pull her out. This call's gotta be strong. Oh, come on. Maybe. Come on. Oh, she's gettable. Go right. There. Come on. Oh, maybe. Ooh, yes, it clamped. Come on, yes. Got her. Stay. Nice. That's awesome. I got her. That's sweet. For really cheap, too. Awesome. I don't know if that mouse event is very gettable. That's the only one I have not won yet. It's really weird. I'm glad though, because it's the least, like, valuable one. Maybe, I don't know. I think I might be able to get the Zombot. Let's go for the Zombot. I don't know if that snake is gettable. The dollar size one over there is gettable. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Oh, yes, come on. Oh, that was close. Alright, I'm gonna get some change and I'll be right back. Oh, come on. Oh, no, it's stabbed. Come on. Yes. Oh. Yeah, screw it. I don't even want it anymore. Probably should have just went for its head and could have got it first try, but I don't know. Alright, what's up, guys? We're at Walmart, and this side looks pretty sweet. They have every single Simpsons characters in this 50-cent cola. That's awesome. That'd be so cool if I could win every single one from one machine, the whole collection. So I'll give it my best attempt. However, it is going to take me a lot of money and effort. And if this dollar bill acceptor doesn't work, then I'll have to get a lot of quarters. There we go. Oh, frick, it ate my dollar. Are you serious? Wow, I forgot about this crappy claw. Oh my god, it sucks. Alright, well there goes $1 to the Sugarloaf Company. Someone should put an out of order on sign. Because that's literally been like that for the last like month. So now I gotta do this every single time. But don't worry, I won't videotape it. You guys won't have to sit through it. This is first one. Alright. I think the first thing I should go for is maybe this Towne. Ooh, he might be in the dead zone though. We'll see. Come on, maybe. Oh wow, wow, that was strong. I got her by the, I don't even know what you call it. What's that? Oh, maybe. Oh yeah, he's ungettable. I want to get some more quarters. Actually, I might just play this one once. Alright guys, I'm gonna play the dollar claw once. Let's see if I can get this Rick Grimes or Michonne. I think I want Rick Grimes the most because I don't have him yet, so let's see if I can maybe like rake him. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let's just go for him. I got 4 seconds left. Oh, I don't know. Come on. No, not the dead zone. Okay. I thought I was gonna flip him into the dead zone. 6 seconds. Just go for him one more time. Hopefully it spins right, and it didn't spin right. Oh, come on. Oh, dead zone. Oh god, I hate the dead zone. I don't know, she seems pretty hard to win too. Let's just go for a Rick. Ooh, maybe. Come on, yes, got him. Stay. Nice, got Rick Grimes. Alright, there we go. Finally. Sweet. Dollar size Rick Grimes. Now we got the dollar size zombie and Michonne. I just need the dollar size. I don't know if they're making the tombstones. I don't think so. I don't think they're making the dollar size zombie girl either. Alright. Let's go for merge one more time. Come on. Just get in there. Oh.